Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can combine PDF files. As you can see here, I have 3 pages of PDF, but I want them to be all together. So how can you do it? It's quick and free. So let's get started. So the first thing is to go to your browser, and then you have to navigate to this website right here and make sure this combined PDF is selected. And then we go to our PDFs here, and then we select which one do we want. So page 1, 2, 3, and just drop them like here and like this here. As you can see now, already load up. Make sure they are in order. If they are not, you can just hold and you can left click, hold the left click, and you can move them around. So the third page can be first, or the second first, or you know what I mean, order. So 1, 2, 3, and we just click on this combine. And now, as you can see, combine PDF has been downloaded, and as you can see here, all the pages are exactly like it is, like it's supposed to be. As you can see, 1, 2, and 3. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this if you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye.